In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lightboxes or pop-ups. In Wix, to get started, open your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your site. From there, hover over Interactive and then find the Pop-ups section. You will see a variety of pre-designed lightbox templates organized by purpose, such as Welcome, Subscribe, Promotion, or Contact. If you prefer to build everything yourself, you can also choose a blank template and start from scratch. When you find a design you like, simply click it or drag it onto your canvas. As soon as you do that, Wix will open pop-up mode. This is the editing space specifically for your lightbox, and it works very similarly to editing a regular page on your website. You can double-click on text to change the wording, font, size, and style. You can also click images and buttons to replace them or link them to other destinations, depending on what you want your pop-up to do. If you decide to add new elements into the lightbox, be careful to drag and drop them until you see the message that says Attach to Pop-up. This is important because it keeps those elements grouped with the lightbox itself. If they are not attached properly, they may not behave as part of the pop-up when your site is live. You can also customize the overlay, which is the area outside the lightbox. Click that outer area to change its color or opacity. This helps control how much of the background page visitors can still see. You can also set the overlay to close the pop-up when someone clicks outside the lightbox, which can make the experience feel more intuitive. Next, set your triggers, which control when the lightbox appears. Click the main body of the lightbox and choose Set Triggers. If you want the pop-up to show automatically, select Yes. Then you can decide which pages it appears on and even add a time delay, like showing it 10 seconds after someone lands on the page. If you only want it to appear when someone clicks a specific button, select No for automatic display. Then go to that button on your page. Click the link icon and choose Lightbox to connect the button to the pop-up. Before you finish, make sure the Close button, or X icon, is easy to see so visitors can close the pop-up without frustration. When you are done editing, click Exit Mode at the top right. If you ever want to manage it later, go to Pages and Menu in the left panel and open the Lightboxes tab. Finally, publish your site when you are ready to make the pop-up live. Tays all to it. Thanks for watching.